Take a look inside almost any dessert recipe, and you'll probably find one secret ingredient hiding in plain sight: condensed milk. It's rich, creamy, incredibly sweet, and found in everything from cakes and cookies to ice cream and coffee. But have you ever wondered how ordinary milk is transformed into this thick golden syrup that can sit on store shelves for months without spoiling? Today, we're taking you inside the factory to uncover the fascinating journey of condensed milk, from dairy farms to giant processing plants, and finally, into the cans found in kitchens around the world. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Factory Made, the channel where we take you inside the world of manufacturing to discover how everyday products are made on a massive scale. Now let's see how condensed milk is made. The story of condensed milk begins in the mid-1800s. Back then, transporting fresh milk was a major challenge because refrigeration didn't exist. Milk spoiled quickly, making it difficult to supply growing cities and military forces. Everything changed in 1856 when American inventor Gail Borden developed a process that removed water from milk and preserved it with sugar. The result was condensed milk. For the first time, milk could be safely stored for long periods without refrigeration. The invention became especially important during the American Civil War, where it provided soldiers with a reliable source of nutrition. More than 150 years later, condensed milk remains one of the world's most popular dairy products. Every can of condensed milk starts on a dairy farm. Modern dairy farms are highly organized operations designed to keep cows healthy and productive. The cows spend their days eating specially prepared feed, drinking large amounts of water, and resting in comfortable environments. Healthy cows produce higher quality milk, making animal welfare an important part of the process. Most dairy cows are milked 2 or 3 times every day using automated milking systems. These systems are designed to gently extract milk while maintaining hygiene and efficiency. Before milking begins, workers clean the cow's teats to ensure cleanliness. The milking equipment then attaches to the udder and carefully collects the milk. Within minutes, the milk travels through stainless steel pipes and into refrigerated storage tanks. At this point, the milk is cooled immediately to preserve freshness. Fresh milk doesn't stay on the farm for long. Large insulated tanker trucks arrive daily to collect the milk and transport it to processing facilities. These trucks are designed to maintain low temperatures throughout the journey. Once the milk arrives at the factory, every batch undergoes strict laboratory testing. Technicians check for quality, purity, fat content, and any unwanted contaminants. Only milk that meets strict standards is approved for production. After inspection, the milk is pumped into enormous storage silos capable of holding millions of liters. Now the real transformation begins. Fresh milk contains varying amounts of fat. To create a consistent product, the milk first passes through a centrifugal separator. Inside this machine, the milk spins at extremely high speeds. The spinning force separates the heavier skim milk from the lighter cream. This allows manufacturers to precisely control the fat content of the final product. Once the milk has been standardized, it moves to the next stage. Although the milk looks clean, it may still contain harmful microorganisms. That's why pasteurization is one of the most important steps in the entire process. The milk is rapidly heated to a carefully controlled temperature and held there for a short period. This process destroys harmful bacteria while preserving the milk's flavor and nutritional value. After heating, the milk is quickly cooled again. The result is safe, high-quality milk ready for further processing. Now comes the ingredient that gives condensed milk its signature sweetness. Large quantities of sugar are added to the milk, but sugar does much more than improve flavor. It also acts as a natural preservative. By increasing the sugar concentration, manufacturers create an environment where harmful microorganisms struggle to grow. The milk and sugar mixture is carefully blended and heated to ensure complete dissolution. This creates a smooth, uniform mixture ready for concentration. This is where the magic happens. The sweetened milk enters massive evaporators. These machines are designed to remove a large portion of the water without damaging the milk itself. Inside the evaporator, heat and reduced pressure work together to gently boil away moisture. As water leaves the mixture, the milk becomes thicker and more concentrated. Slowly, the thin liquid transforms into the rich, creamy condensed milk we recognize. By the end of the process, more than half of the original water has been removed. The remaining mixture contains concentrated milk solids, fats, proteins, and sugar. This gives condensed milk its thick texture and rich flavor. After evaporation, the condensed milk undergoes homogenization. This process forces the product through tiny openings under high pressure. The fat particles are broken into extremely small droplets and distributed evenly throughout the mixture. Without homogenization, the cream would separate during storage. Instead, the finished product remains smooth, stable, and consistent. Before packaging, samples are collected for testing. Factory technicians inspect the condensed milk for texture, color, sweetness, consistency, and safety. Advanced laboratory equipment verifies that every batch meets strict production standards. Only approved batches continue to the filling lines. Now, the finished condensed milk is ready for packaging. The product travels through stainless steel pipelines to automated filling machines. These machines dispense precise amounts of condensed milk into cans at incredibly high speeds. Each container receives the exact amount needed while minimizing waste. Immediately afterward, the cans are sealed to prevent contamination. The sealed cans then move through another heat treatment process to ensure long-term safety and stability. Labels are applied. Expiration dates are printed. The cans are packed into cartons and prepared for shipment. Once packaged, the condensed milk begins its final journey. Truckloads of finished products leave the factory and travel to warehouses, supermarkets, restaurants, bakeries, and food manufacturers. The next time you open a can of condensed milk, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. From dairy farms and advanced milking systems to giant evaporators, laboratory testing, and high-speed packaging lines, every can is the result of modern food engineering and decades of manufacturing innovation. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how condensed milk is made, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Factory Made, and turn on notifications so you never miss another factory tour. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.